Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make your Steam profile look cool. First, open Steam and go to your profile page. Click on the Edit Profile button. Here you can change your profile name, avatar, and summary. Choose a clear and interesting profile picture. Many people use artwork from their favorite games or a custom design. Under the Summary section, write a short description about yourself or your gaming style. Keep it fun and simple. Next, scroll down to the Themes and Background section. You can select a profile background if you own any from Steam trading cards or if you use Steam points. Pick a background that matches your style. You can also change the color theme of your profile to fit the background. Then, check the Featured Badge option. This lets you display a badge you have earned or crafted on your profile. Pick one that looks good and shows off something you are proud of, like a special event badge or a high-level badge. Also, adjust your mini profile. This is the small card that shows when people hover over your name in chats or community posts. You can choose a frame, a background, and even an avatar animation if you have unlocked them. Small details here can make a big difference. Finally, check everything once more and save your changes. Thanks for watching.